Hey, it's Locksmith here. Okay, so we're going to change the battery here out on our 5-button remote headed key. For this task here, if your key ring is attached, you will want to remove it because this remote's going to come apart. You'll need a flat tip, or you can use a quarter. Look on the side, you'll see your indentation right here. Put your quarter or flat tip in there and just rotate. You'll notice it just pops open. With that being said, take 2 fingers in there and it comes apart. Now if the rubber pops out, don't sweat it, no worries. With this here, you'll notice it'll sit like this. Your battery's right there. Go ahead and put it in. Push it down. These pop out all the time, so it's no worries. And I do not suggest gluing it in. Now take your flat tip, go ahead and lift under the battery. Battery pops out, and it's a CR2032 battery. This is a new remote, so we're just going to put the same battery back in. Put it in, push down, pull it back so you know it got it under there. And since that rubber piece came out, I would hold that flat, take it, roll the top onto it, and gently squeeze it together. And there you go. You've just done it. Hey, thanks again for watching Sergeant Locksmith. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if this video helped you out. If you got any questions, send us an email. Go ahead and check out our other playlists that we've got on here. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.